Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening, good afternoon. Sorry. So today I will present uh, related to the subject of EMJ42202, which is electrical installation design 2. Okay. So today just a briefing class where I need to brief to all of you in order to make sure this semester we can smoothly learn on this subject, which is electrical installation design. So first, make sure that this semester we are not dealing with any design yet, because last semester we already designed the whole semester. We're doing design for the project, right? So this semester what we are going to do, so that's I will brief within maybe 20-30 minutes. So if you all have any question related to this subject, so you can ask me or you can ask our team lah. Okay. So first I will update related to the group grouping, which is we still have 34 group, and this semester we propose new concept, which is every group will have a specific supervisor, which is the supervisor will assess the group and make sure that group must see your supervisor in order to get 25 mark lah. Okay, and then the best part is you must know that what your task to complete for this semester. Okay. Okay, here the committee of this subject, which is firstly Ahmad Zadi, which is I'm actually okay, I'm the coordinator, and then the number 2 Encik Muhammad Faizul, the number 2. Okay, and then the last one is IR Fauzi bin Kasim. So previous semester maybe you see also 3 of us kan, including of Encik Asnizam, but this semester we replace Encik Asnizam with IR Fauzi. Okay, IR Fauzi is coming from consultant, so consultant M&A, so please take this opportunity to discuss with him due to his expertise during project management and so on. Okay, alright, only these 3 supervisor. Okay. Okay, for this semester I already create a classroom with title EMJ42202 electrical installation 2. I hope all of you will join that classroom, and also I will create the what we call it Unimap, the another one, which is this semester we provide new one online group lah. Okay, but first of all just join the classroom, Google Classroom first. And then number 2, please join the WhatsApp group where we can use that platform, which is our WhatsApp group, to communicate lah or update any information related to our subject. And this one, okay, 34 group. I already mentioned, I think 3 or 4 weeks before, related to the maybe have some arrangement to your group, but only have one group contact me, so I believe that all of the rest group are maintained. Okay, maintain this list of group. Okay, maintain with the previous semester lah. Okay, and then please make sure that at the right side you can see the supervisor name, and you must contact the supervisor, and you must see him lah. Okay, you kena jumpa dia orang. Okay, how? So if you can see from your teaching plan, you have a 7-time group discussion, right? But due to many group in one supervisor, so you must discuss with your supervisor. At least you must see your supervisor 3 times. 3 times in this semester. Okay, at least. So kalau siapa yang kurang, if your group just see your supervisor below than 3, so confirm your marks will be low lah. You must be care because there are 25 marks coming from your supervisor. Okay, clear on that part. And then you also can see the latest list of group from Google Classroom, which is you can see from here lah. Kalau if you don't join this group, this classroom yet, you can join by this link. Okay, and then the concept for this semester, this is the picture just tell us the previous semester, right? So previous semester you already design the schematic, the layout and so on until complete, right? So that's the electrical installation design. That's one. But I just recap back the IDP which is your subject lah. The integrated design project IDP shall involve complex engineering problem, okay, and design system. So this word is coming from the BEM or EAC, Engineering Accreditation Council. So what they want from this IDP, so you must know lah. You must know this what we should have. Kalau you rasa that's something kita tak buat lagi dalam projek kita, so just tell me, we will discuss and we try to add on to make sure that this subject cover all of requirement from the EAC to you lah. Okay, so complex engineering problem and design system, I think we already cover this previous semester, which is we already designed the whole system of electrical. And the complex, kamu rasa complex tak? Complex engineering tak? So complex lah bagi for us, bagi saya, the level of complexity is depend on the project kan. Kalau let's say you have 3 building, and if you can see from your calculation and the MSB itself pun, macam mana you nak dapatkan MSB tu, you kena design banyak mana. So for me is already complex lah. So let's say next year you kena panggil by the EAC during interview untuk accreditation. So the time you rasa complex tak? Is it enough complex engineering for IDP subject? Kan? So you kena explain lah, susah tak susah you buat tu. Kalau you rasa senang je subjek kami tu, buat mudah lah, 2 hari siap kan. So pandai-pandai kamu lah. And then process integrating core area. The process integrating core area ni maksudnya to complete this subject, you must have some knowledge from the previous subject that you have taken before. Subjek semester 1, semester 2 kan. So that subject yang related yang kamu boleh apply dalam ni. Contoh power system, circuit kan. Circuit ke you buat ni, circuit. Lagi apa lagi subjek yang most of the subject yang you know kan, power system and so on like that lah. Because power system you need to know basic electrical lah kan. Single phase macam mana kan, single phase you know that 240, 3 phase 415. So knowledge from that subject we use it for this IDP, right? Correct. And then basic knowledge kan, basic knowledge maybe on electrical technology you also apply here, because during calculation of current kan, so you nak calculate current yang light cell tu, I equal to P over V kan, power over voltage, that is you just apply. So that is communicating core area lah. and then meet specific need with appropriate consideration public health safety. So yang ni that's why I very constrained, stress on how you calculate the breaker kan. Kalau during presentation pun all the panel keep asking how do you design the protection system. So because we have a lot of thing here, public safety, public health safety, culture and so on, but in this subject we are very stressed on the safety kan, safety ini. So your project at least you got something where your design is very strictly we focusing on the safety kan. So kalau you design ada safety, I think it should cover something there lah. And then for this semester we try to cover this part, project management, economy, okay, and economy. So this semester what will happen lah. So where the project management this semester we will discuss. I have invite 5 speaker from the industry to share their knowledge related to this work. So I hope all of you can can take very full attention to them lah, and asking them if you have something kan. So bukan senang saya nak invite, it's not easy to invite them because they are very busy. Bukan orang biasa-biasa, they are a good person lah. Okay, right. So this is some macam task lah. Okay, task for this semester. So green strategy in designing electrical system for a building usually some interest in the word use less power. However, to come out with sustainable design, it is essential to consider its impact on environment, society and economy, which normally refer to 3P. Macam tu lah, People, Planet, Pocket Book. As the electrical consultant, you are required to redesign the electrical system which support green energy solution for different building. You are required to reduce power consumption for building at least 5 to 10% from the original value. Okay, so that what you should do this semester, where in first part during energy management you need to propose several energy management technique where suitable to propose into your building to make sure you can get 5 to 10% reducing bill lah. Okay, so what will happen this semester? So first we just continue from the previous project. So I don't want that one or any project come to me and then we want to develop new group, we want to start for new one, please give me a new project. So that will not happen this semester, tak mungkin akan berlaku lah. Okay, so you just stick with your own project previous semester, so we just continue saja. Okay, if there any problem with your previous design, you just edit. Okay, you can ask me, Mr. Faizul or Mr. Fauzi related apa yang komen yang dapat daripada previous semester, you just repair it. Okay, and then number 2, first you need to propose electrical energy management into the building to reduce power consumption in building and green energy solution lah kalau related. So example, replace fluorescent and then lighting control, automation system, power monitoring and so on. Too many energy management that capable to be installed into the building. Okay, all of this you can get it by join the workshop during week 2 by IR from the TMB. So please make sure all of your group member join, because you will got the idea from there and then you can select it where capable to install into your building, and then just do some calculation to prove that by doing that technique of the energy management, your design capable to save how many percent. Okay, and then number 3, you need to plan and organize an engineering design project using tools such as Gantt chart to develop work breakdown structure, develop schedule including milestone and estimate effort and cost. So this is under project management and scheduling, where this will happen during week 4. I already invite engineer from a big company where he always doing the CPM lah. Kalau siapa whoever yang join consultant, when we talking on CPM, they should know lah, critical path management. So you need to know. So he will teach us on how to develop the CPM lah, okay, ataupun Gantt chart using Microsoft Project. So from now on, you can start download software Microsoft Project, because during that time week 4, he will show to us on how to use that software Microsoft Project to. And what you should do is, it must related to your project. Let's say you want to install transformer, you want to install the lighting, it must everything is scheduled on that Gantt chart lah, okay, until complete. So that one is considering under assignment 2. Okay, please make sure prepare from now. And then, so number 4, you need to develop a design concept, elaborate through a detailed design, identify system requirement, applicable standard. And this one, all of this one, you need to consider public health and safety tu, culture, society and environment. You pilih lah which one yang related. This one is for the last report, where you need to combine from the previous semester punya design. So that one design, and then this semester you have 3 assignment. So you combine all of this assignment and previous report to become one very thick report lah. Okay, and then lastly, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of engineering management principle, economic decision making. So this one you need to propose bill of quantity, where this will happen on week 6, I think. I also invited one of the owner of the consultant. She will teach us on how to develop the bill of quantity based on your project. So this is very important part, where you need to develop your own BQ, and these are considering as your assignment number 3. Okay, energy management assignment 1, Gantt chart is assignment 2, and BQ is assignment 3. Okay, so this is what will happen. Okay, group task lah. So first, from now on, you can contact your supervisor and discuss to schedule where during 7 time is based on your teaching plan. When is your time to you can see your supervisor, because your supervisor have 10 to 11 group. So how can it meet all of your group in the same time, because he also have 2 hours per week kan. So you discuss lah, you make arrangement with your supervisor. Okay, and make sure your supervisor know very well your group. Okay, whatever your problem, you can discuss with him. Okay, what assignment and how to do everything, you can ask them lah, ask him lah. Okay, and then please make sure also every week that you see or not see your supervisor, please write your minute meeting. Okay, because every week we have a program, right? Okay, you just write whatever that you have done that during that week lah. Kalau you ada workshop, you just write workshop. What are what a point from the workshop lah. At least you have some minute meeting, because the minute meeting are considered as assignment 4. So you need to complete all of the minute meeting for whole week, for whole semester. You need to submit also. And then you need to submit your assignment, which is 40%, including what I have said before lah, for 3 assignment plus 1 minute meeting. So that's why become 40%. and then complete your design, layout and schematic. If you still have problem from the previous semester, just complete it and then combine with this semester assignment to become your complete report. And then you complete your project report, which is comprised of 20%, and then we make peer review from your friend, so you will get 5%. And the last semester we will have a project presentation, so 10%. So complete is 100% lah. So this is the activity that I have a plan for this semester, and I hope this planning will be happen smoothly lah. So this week project briefing, and then SB appointment, and then next week so project energy management, and then group discussion. So during group discussion, you just go to find your supervisor, either Google Meet or face to face, tak kisah. So you can discuss in whatever medium that you are prefer, but at least 3 times in this week. And then week 4 we have a workshop number 2, which is project management. And then week 5 again you find your supervisor, group discussion. And then week 6 we have workshop 3 under project costing BQ. And then week 7 again group discussion. And then week 8 we have mid-sem break kan. And then week 9 workshop project supervision. Week 10 group discussion. Week 11 workshop 5 on report writing. Week 12 report preparation. Okay. And then last workshop 5 under project presentation. This session I just invite IR Shah from TNB also. She always present bukan setakat Malaysia, in the whole country, in the world. So I just she just accepted my invitation. So you all very luckily lah to have a session with her. So you can ask her after this on how to present in a good way. Sebab let's say you have a good project, a good product, but you don't know how to present, kan? So rugilah. Okay, so try to take advantage during that time. And then week 14 the report will be evaluated by supervisor, and last week 15 we will have a presentation. Alright, so this COPO, which is we have 4 CO this semester, including of applied knowledge, fundamental, and then kita nak kena ada access any society, safety and so on. And then number 3, ability to function constructive in group and demonstrate effective communication. Ini yang kita nak access lah. This one your supervisor will access this one. Kita nak tengok he will see your function in a group. Tengok you ada function tak dalam group tu. Kalau tak ada function, dia bagi kosong lah. Kalau duduk diam je kan. And then CO4, ability to demonstrate knowledge and understanding engineering management, principle and economic decision making. Okay, so this one yang kita buat BQ semua ni. And then we also have 7 PO, including PO 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 11. So all of these things are mapping clearly for in the subject for this semester lah. Okay, and this is the mark distribution again. Okay, first is 40% from assignment, 5% peer review, 25% from supervisor, 10% from project presentation, and final report 20%. Okay, cukup kan? 30, 70, okay, 100. Okay, so we just continue with previous project. Okay, from that, thank you for your attention for this semester, and I hope all of you to give a good cooperation for this semester, and I hope all of you will got a very high mark for this semester. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.